Hey guys, beginning of my vlog.
I talked to Tiny. Yeah, I had a fucking long also.
Did I? Dad, do you want to be in the vlog? No? Why not? Why not?
Push these pistons back.
Dad, say hi to all my subscribers. He's just sitting there. He's busy right now. It's the camera for my vlogs.
Here.
Hold on, I'll be right back. Come on, Gino. Gino, you gotta take the phone. It's flickering. Alright guys. I'm gonna be pulling a prank on my dad. And I got an air horn. He might kill me. He might get mad, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. My brother's gonna be right back. He's gonna hold the camera while I open it. Because I gotta figure out what I gotta do. And everything. This is gonna be funny. And if you guys like it, hit subscribe. And the like button up top. This is gonna be funny, I think. Gino, you gotta take the camera while I open this. I know you gotta do it like this. Hold it right there. This is gonna be so funny. Your fingers are in the camera.
Oops. Don't put that on there.
I'm gonna have to. There's no way to edit it. I can't edit it too far because it'll get this freaking thing out of here. I can't get it out of the package. This is gonna be so funny. Here we go. Shit. This is gonna be, oh, there it is. You gotta pull that little pin.
And it's gonna keep on going, Tony.
No, it isn't. You gotta turn it around. Alright, guys. Here we go.
Hi, Mary.
Hi, Marion. Go. Go.
Let me get that. Yeah, where's the leash?
It's hanging up in the living room.
Is it?
Yeah. The leash for the dog.
No, it's hanging up.
Oh, it's right there.
Come on, man. What the fuck? I ain't sleeping.
She's up.
It ain't funny.
Oh my god. Oh my god, in my ears.
Did you get scared?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh my god. Come on, you gotta admit that was funny. You gotta admit that shit was funny. Why? They see what you own and stuff.
I don't
You know?
want that. I don't know the business I own.
Oh, that's funny. If you guys like that, subscribe and hit the like button.